have to acknowledge that first. We always go into solve mode, especially when you do that as a job. You do it as a career. So you're
Yeah.
trying to solve the problem. No, we want to stay in it. We want to show that empathy.
Mhm.
And that's where the human connection really happens. It
Wow.
is such a critical part, and it
Yeah.
can be taught. Takes a little bit of time to start focusing on what do they see and what do they feel.
And it
Yes.
makes sense, right? It makes sense. They feel heard. You connect
Mm,
with them. You find out more. You go deeper. Beautiful.
exactly.
Let's move on to the second trait, gender intelligence.
Yeah.
That's the one that sets Masterminds coaches apart, right?
And truly, this is something that not only do we teach all the different parts of the brain and but what we actually get them to do as an exercise in class
Uh-huh.
is take the other role. If you're a man coach, we want you to take the woman's role. So step into
Right.
that. If you're a woman, step into the man. It's so interesting to me. I was watching a TED talk yesterday with
Uh-huh.
John. It's a really good one. And he was talking about when I do my weekend retreats, I separate all the men and the women in two rooms. And I have a big flip chart. And I say, now I want you to write all your complaints on the flip chart. All the men are together and
Yeah.
they're commiserating together, going, "Oh, I don't like the complaining and the nagging and the this and the that." And then he goes over to the women and they got pages and pages and pages on the flip chart, literally pages and pages all about the man.
Yeah.
And the man has five things, just five little things. I don't like her telling me how to drive. I don't like the complaining. I don't like this. I don't like just four or five things. They've
Okay.
got paragraphs, but theirs, by the way, is just no sex. That's the longest one. Two words is no sex.